Welcome to 5 Steps to Writing Winning Grants. I'm so excited you're here because this program is designed to completely transform how you think about, approach, and succeed in grant writing. Whether you're brand new to the field or already managing multiple proposals a year, this course will help you sharpen your focus, streamline your systems, and improve your results with less stress and more success. I'm Arwen, the Strategic Shaman, and I help nonprofits transform how they think about funding. After a decade in nonprofit administration and over $250,000 in successful grants, I've learned that winning proposals don't come from luck or hustle. They come from strategy, clarity, and alignment. I call myself the strategic shaman because my approach blends structure and spirit. I believe in systems that work and in the power of presence, authenticity, and intuition to make your message resonate. This course distills my 10 plus years of experience into 5 simple, actionable steps that will help you level up your skills, gain confidence, and give you the support you need to be a successful grant writer. So here's our roadmap to 5 steps to writing winning grants. Step 1, get crystal clear. Step 2, get organized. Step 3, research like a pro. Step 4, keep it aligned. And step 5, get writing. Along the way, you will receive amazing resources, spreadsheets, worksheets, checklists, and downloads, making this program a huge asset not only to your grant strategy, but to your whole organization. So if you're ready to move from burnout to flow, from overwhelm to clarity, and from scarcity to strategy, you're in the right place. Grant funding is one of the most powerful tools nonprofits have to create sustainable impact. It's not just about getting money, it's about building partnerships, telling your story with clarity, and aligning your mission with funders who believe in your work. Organizations that invest in clear, strategic grant systems consistently see profitable results. On average, nonprofits that apply these principles increase their funding success rate by 50% or more within a single year. So here's how we'll measure success. Take a look at your current win rate, your total number of awarded grants divided by the number you've submitted. Over the course of this program, our goal is to boost that rate by at least 50%. For example, if your win rate is currently 20%, let's aim for 30%. If you're winning 3 out of every 10, let's make it closer to 5. Those numbers represent real dollars and real impact for you and your nonprofit and the community you serve. By the end of this program, you'll have a repeatable system for finding, aligning, and winning grants that match your mission and your capacity. I can't wait to start leveling up your grant game with this 5 Steps to Writing Winning Grants program. Grab your team and your notepads, and let's dive in.